Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will discuss how to push a file to Salesforce after a Titan Docs project is generated. Here I have a sample Titan document that I have built in Microsoft Word. This will be associated with an opportunity. It is a relatively simple document that will pull in the account name, some information about the opportunity, and then a table showing the associated opportunity products. We've uploaded this into our Titan dashboard as a Titan Forms project called Opportunity with Products. Here in the dashboard, in our project, we want to configure the project to push a copy of the generated document to the Files object in Salesforce when the document is generated. To do that, you want to go to Salesforce Integrations and create a push. The push will look like this. You want to create a push for the Files object. Action is create. Rule conditions you do not need to set. On the field mapping, this is how you want to map your fields. You want to map, at minimum, the version data, first published location ID, and a title. The title is simply that. What do you want the title to be of the attached document? I have chosen Opportunity with Products. The version data is what will hold the file itself. Here, you want to map to that Salesforce field version data the element word mapping. Or if you were using a PDF as a form, you would map PDF mapping. And the first published location ID is the Salesforce record with which the attached file will be associated. In this case, we want to attach it to the Opportunity record ID that's passed in. So you select first published location ID, record ID. Apply this and save it. Well, let's see how this works. Over in my sample opportunity, you'll see there are no files attached. We'll go ahead and click FT Generate Document. Opportunities with Products is the document that we want to generate. I'll go ahead and preview it just to validate that this is the correct document. It is. That is what we expect. I'll close this here. And we will now go ahead and select from the menu Generate. The document will be processed. The post-generation push will run, and the file will be attached. Let's refresh the page to verify. And we see a file is attached. It is called Opportunity with Products, and that is our generated document. And that is how it's done.